Record right now.
We hitting record.
Hell yeah. He said, well, I was gonna prefer you a beat, but he said acapella, that's where it's fresher.
Who got a beat?
I was gonna do a beatbox for you.
Throw a beat on, man.
Oh yeah, he even said you look like Brad too.
Get out of here. Like back in the day, man.
I told him, I was like, we already up there.
I'm his brother. You ain't his brother.
Oh, snaps, man. This is my bro right here, nigga, all the time. All the time. Woo, my lord.
Rapping, man. We used to
everything.
Early in the morning till like 4 or 5 in the morning.
I ain't never seen nobody as driven as you, bro. This man, he was driven. My ambition is almost rooted from him to a certain degree. This nigga he was all on it. I mean,
he done took it to a
maximum, huh? But that's what you're supposed to do.
I've been kind of laid back or whatever.
Yeah,
and stuff, you know what I mean?
You get back on it. Her legs is wide open. My dick is in her. But let me hear that freestyle though.
Let you hear that freestyle.
Yeah.
Man, let me see.
Where is that?
Oh no, man. I can bring back a little something, man. Okay. Sit back and observe as we just swerve in the bourbon, sipping on motherfucking that irk and jerk, man. I'm up at the mall, I'm acting a flirt. I'm trying to get skirts, you already know what it is. It's P-K-U-T-T-A to the day I meet the dirt or meet the earth. Y'all niggas already know I'm high as a motherfucking bird in the sky. It's me, motherfucking, who out here as fly as I. No one, nobody can beat me, nobody can see me. I'm motherfucking the veteran, better than any competitor. Motherfucking spitting rhymes like 9mm Berettas, and you already know, man, I keep that 50 cal under my sweater that hit hard like John Randolph. Niggas already know it's motherfucking a straight blazer. Motherfucking I'm blowing trees, nigga, like a trailblazer from Chevy. And yes, I'm moving weight hard, nigga, but I'm moving so much weight it'll crack like the New Orleans levees. And everybody already know I hit hard when I step on the block with Katrina Force, and these fools already know, man, it's P cut to the day that I end. Yeah, I mean?
Okay. All right, no doubt. That was it. That's official. So there you have it, folks. You got something? What's up?
What's up now?
We all open up the books, but you got to squirt, huh?
Huh?
You got to squirt? Shake.
Oh yeah, I was like, squirt. Hold on, where we squirting?
Ski. Nah, you be like, I just squirted, nigga. To the wow. To the
all these bitches, bro.
What? Let's keep it going.
I thought that was
this is a cool little.
Hunger.
Really?
Yeah.
But yeah, so man, I'm gonna cut it.